Good day and welcome to Tommy's Holiday, episode 10 of my adventures in Acadia National Park. For a beautiful and relaxing walk, try the Carriage Roads along Eagle Lake. This walk is full of awesome views of the lake as one walks through the tree-covered gravel roads. Watch for bike riders along this walking journey. Just a short walk in, there is Eagle Lake, clear and still. Just beautiful for a relaxing walk around the lake. The Carriage Road surrounds the lake and is about a 2-hour walk. Quicker on a bike. Take your time and stop along the lake to enjoy this beautiful day. Watch for the signs along the lake as they point one to other locations in the park, which will be good for another day. On this walk around the lake, one finds trails to other ponds in the park. It's all very close, and a walk in the trees may be just what is needed.
Well, just crossing the Bubbles Trail now. Coming up to the next crossroads. We're going around the lake. And I'm back.
I can't stop thinking about all the wonderful tree-lined carriage roads and the beautiful views of Eagle Lake on this 2-hour walk. This was definitely a relaxing adventure. Back at the parking area for a much-needed restroom break. I'm off to Southwest Harbor and my favorite lobster pound for a late lunch.
How you doing? All right. I want one of those.
While I'm waiting for my lobster lunch, a lobster boat is being loaded with traps. A wonderful lunch after a fabulous morning walking the Eagle Lake Carriage Roads. Thanks for watching Tommy's Holiday.